Said I live in my truck. I live in my truck. I ain't got the bus, so I live in my truck. I feel right at home. I live in my truck. Thank God for drive-through, for coffee in the morning. Thank God for the drive-through, for my lunch in the afternoon. And we used to have drive-ins too. That would be wonderful. That's like heaven for a person who lives in their truck. I live in my truck. Save a lot of bucks, 'cause I live in my truck. And yeah, I could just live in my truck for a good period of time. Get a hotel room every now and then so I can take a bath. Oh yeah, I live in my truck. I live in my truck. Ain't got enough bucks, so I live in my truck. I could probably afford to rent someplace, but then I wouldn't be able to afford to keep my truck, so live in my truck. I live in my truck. Well, I live in my truck, 'cause I ain't got much. You know, and I'm retired. I want to have fun, so live in my truck. I live in my truck. Yeah, if I just rented someplace, I'd just be sitting around and wouldn't be able to do anything or do nothing or go anywhere and just bitch and moan about TV. So, well, that's enough of this one.